This is our production blasting spacing equation. And so this is a very simple, easy to use sort of equation that gets us in the right ballpark. And then from there, the blast engineering process takes over, and we need to start monitoring what's actually going on and looking at where the fragmentation's having problems, what those locations are. We want to look to see if there's sawtooth effects occurring on the free face. We want to be able to use a tool that we can import the pre-blast borehole locations, not the design, but the as-built, where let's say like in the Strayos system, we'll fly a drone, we'll pick up the collars, the AI will pick up the collars of the boreholes, and we'll save that data. So afterwards we can come back, put those holes in their actual pre-blast locations and see first, what's the fragmentation doing? And secondly, is there any features we're observing on the face that are going to line up, let's say, between these boreholes or right on them? And then what we'll do is we'll adjust the blasting as we progress to see what those changes in fragmentation and the final face profile would be.